If you want to learn how to sign into CapCut with a QR code, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest and easiest way to log into CapCut on your PC using your phone, so you can get into your account without typing in passwords or going through a long sign-in process. This is especially useful if you already have CapCut installed on your phone and want a faster way to connect your desktop app. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC. Once the app loads, look at the top left corner of the screen where you'll see the sign in option. Click on sign in to open the login methods available to you. After that, you should see different ways to log in, but for this method, click use QR code. This will generate a QR code on your computer screen that is linked to your CapCut login session. Next, grab your phone and open the CapCut app. Make sure you're signed in on the mobile app, then use the scan feature to scan the QR code displayed on your PC screen. As soon as the QR code is recognized, CapCut will connect your mobile account to the desktop app and sign you in automatically. This is one of the easiest and fastest ways to access your CapCut account on a computer, especially if you don't want to deal with manual login steps. If the QR code doesn't scan right away, make sure your phone camera is clear, the code is fully visible on the screen, and your CapCut app is updated to the latest version. Sometimes simply refreshing the code or adjusting your screen brightness can help too. Once you're signed in, you can start editing right away and continue your projects across devices with ease. And that's how to sign into CapCut with a QR code in just a few simple steps. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.